Copies and infringements on branded products have grown dramatically in recent years. All sectors are affected, including the bolt securing industry. Today, close to 20 companies around the world produce copies of Nord-Lock washers, supplying them to customers who are often not aware of the risks involved. Copy products are often presented and argued for with price comparisons. But what worries Nord-Lock, as the original manufacturer, is that copied washers are also spread by unauthorized distributors and suppliers who replace Nord-Lock with copy products without informing the end user. The copies appearing on the market may look very similar. They may even pass a standardized vibration or impact test in a laboratory environment. But remember that these products are all reverse engineered from genuine Nord-Lock washers. Nord-Lock has developed and perfected the product over many years with the minimal tolerances needed and can ensure the quality of every single pair leaving our production facility in Sweden. The ability to secure millions of demanding applications does not come from looking similar to Nord-Lock or performing in one single test. Nord-Lock's Frida Cullen explains with the resistance and constraint analysis.
To avoid failures in a bolted joint, the joint should be designed to withstand higher loads than it will be exposed to. For each bolted joint, we can, however, assume deviation, both for load and joint capacity, which can be represented by two normal distribution graphs. This overlap, where the joint is exposed to more stress than it can withstand, means the joint will fail. Introducing Nord-Lock washers enables you to reach a higher capacity, eliminates this overlap, and creates a safe joint. If you are using a copy product instead, you need to revise your risk analysis and account for less experience and the risk of having non-optimal design or production and thereby wider tolerances. It's realistic to assume more variation in performance. The zone is now introduced again and failures will occur. So buying copies of Nord-Lock may mean that you pay for nothing at all.
This theory has been confirmed by several real-life cases where copies have replaced Nord-Lock washers and thereby jeopardized the safety of the application or system. These cases are critical and found to be relied upon in our everyday life and in demanding industries. Do not underestimate the consequences of the small percentages. With 98% washer efficiency on 400,000 sourced safety washers, it means that the number of probable failure is 8,000. Safety devices, such as Nord-Lock washers, should be seen from a lifetime perspective when sourced. A loosened bolt leads to repair costs and expensive downtime. It can be devastating to your brand, not to mention human lives. The real value of safe bolting can be overlooked by trying to save a fraction of the application's total cost. A slightly cheaper initial price on this type of component could cost you dearly. How can you be sure that the locking washers you buy will keep your bolts secure? Check with Nord-Lock to find out who our authorized partners and distributors are for your area, and insist on original packaging. Both packaging and each Nord-Lock washer pair are inscribed with the brand name and the control number. This protects against forgeries and provides traceability. If you have any questions or concerns regarding counterfeits, please contact your national Nord-Lock office or visit the Nord-Lock website. Specify Nord-Lock washers. It will pay you back many times over.